If you have a larger family or you work from home and you're looking for an affordable home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage, the Lakeside model may just be the perfect home for you. My passion is working with buyers and sellers here in Southwest Florida. Reach out to me today at 239-450-5786 and let's have a conversation about how I can help you achieve your real estate goals here in Southwest Florida in 2025. And while you're at it, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about all future videos. DR Horton has done it again. They have brought a fabulous model here to Southwest Florida that meets the needs that a lot of families are looking for. It features 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and it is over 2,000 square feet. And I'll tell you, as you walk through this model with me, you're going to see great closets. You're going to see an amazing pantry and quality construction that may just be the perfect home for you. Now, as we go inside the Lakeside, reminder, this is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 2-car garage home. And they do use 2 of the bedrooms for offices for the sales center. So we will not be showing you those 2, but we will show you the others. Okay, we're here in the Lakeside model. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage. Just check out the space here of this great room concept, living room with a separate dining area. It's fabulous. And remember that DR Horton in their Express Series homes do include impact glass. Large enough pantry for even a copier printer to fit in it. Now, because this is a sales model currently in the offices for the community here, the 3rd bathroom is actually set up as a half bath, but the 3rd bathroom will be configured exactly as this bathroom is here in the guest area between the 2 of the guest bedrooms. So one of the things that I like about the DR Horton homes here is that all of the closets are not bifold doors. They're just regular doors, so they just look nicer and are certainly of better material than the standard closet bifold door. Very spacious primary bedroom. Size of this walk-in closet in the primary. Plenty of room for his and her clothing. Well, there you have your tour of the Lakeside model by DR Horton. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, just over 2,000 square feet. An amazing option for the family that's looking for an affordable home option here in Southwest Florida. If you have questions about this model or any other real estate matter here in Southwest Florida, reach out to me today. Click the links below, email me, or call me at 239-450-5786. Just remember, I'm always a text away.